Let's go. Hello? Hello? Hey, how much is the island worth? How much is the island? I want to buy it. Oh, $11.1 million? I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take the island, yes. Absolutely. Yeah, me, Melissa, and Savvy will love it. We'll love it. We'll all live together. It's going to be great. Me, Melissa, and Savvy. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm going to leave a great Yelp review. What's your name? Oh, Trisha? Okay. Yeah, I'm going to leave you a 5-star review. Don't worry. Yeah, and I'll mention your name. Absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'm not invited. I'm not invited to the island. It's just Melissa, Savvy, and Jabba, apparently. So, not me. I'm a bull. Whatever it is. I guess I've been bearish lately. But guys, Bitcoin is dropped all the way back down to a measly $35,400. Guys, let me start the stream with this.
Rant alert.
It's very important in life that you don't stress over things you can't control, okay? The dump already happened, okay? We got the dump. It already happened. We can't control, we can't change it now, right? We can't change it now. It has already happened. So, that's the first thing I want to know. Like, you guys got to stay positive. It's already happened. We can't control it. I know it freaking sucks, okay? I know it freaking sucks, right? But we can't change it, right? So you got to stay positive, all right? Have some laughs. We're going to have some laughs today, all right? That's what we're going to do. We know it's not fun when Bitcoin drops down to 34,400, right? But you can't control it. So why are we going to get too stressed about it, all right? Stay positive. We know it happened, all right? Let's jump on into the charts, all right? I know you guys are going to say, you guys are going to get instantly, very, very upset, okay? Very, very upset. I was watching this earlier, and Bitcoin was just kept going and kept going and kept going and kept going. Just kept going back down to the downside. But where are we looking at next? So I'm actually going to jump to the 4-hour chart because we are holding on to our green box support, okay? We are holding on to our green box support by a thread, by an absolute thread. I mean, look at this. I mean, we're sitting right on top of it. We had a wick below it. Right now we're sitting at about 36,600, which was the bottom of that green support level that I had. That was actually the tippy top of the June 29th pump, okay? So we're sitting right on top of that level. Will that level hold? That's something I am going to watch going into the 4-hour chart, okay? I know there's a lot of fear right now. I can see it in the chat. The fear is absolutely nuts, okay? Here's what I'll say, guys. After the stream tonight, I want you guys to log off. I want you guys to go do something tonight that's not looking at the charts, okay? Go do something that's not looking at the charts, all right? I can see it. I can see it in here. Jordan, we were all lied to. We all said we were in a bull market still. What the heck, man? George, BitBoy, Ben Cowan, you all said we held the line. This is ridiculous. I know that's what you guys are all saying. We saw George last night. George was extremely upset on stream. I don't think that's the right avenue to take. I think we need to relax, right? Relax. Don't let your emotions get to you. When you let your emotions get to you, you're going to make irrational decisions when you let your emotions get to you. Don't let your emotions get you. Anything in life. Don't do it. Okay? Don't do it. Make sure you guys are always grounded. All right? Seriously. Well, we're sitting right at that $36,600 level. Will that level hold in the close? That's the big level that we have to watch tonight, right? Is that $36,600 level. I've never seen George work up like that. Me either, man. This is what I was talking about, guys. We need max pain, okay? And I don't know if we're at max pain yet. I would argue that I'm not at max pain. I'm chilling. I don't know why listen. Everyone's all up in arms. I'm chilling right now, okay? And I watched George's stream last night. He was very, very stressed. He was going off, okay? He's swearing F words, right? F words everywhere. Listen, it's not Yeah, the charts look like dog crap. Okay, the charts look like dog crap. They do. But we're not gonna. We can say the charts look like dog crap. You guys know I've been bearish for the last couple of weeks. Jordan's bearish. Well, this is kind of why I was slightly bearish for the last few weeks. I was expecting that one capitulation move to the downside, and we got that big capitulation move to the downside. All right. But the level I'm watching for the daily chart to close today, and this is I think pretty important in the grand scheme of things here. As important as anything could be at the moment, because is TA really important right now? I would argue no. Bitcoin's going to do whatever it wants to do, how it wants to do it, with who it wants to do it with. Okay, but if Bitcoin can get a close back above 37,400. I think that's going to be really, really good on the daily, right? You might be saying, oh, Jordan, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, right? To me, it does matter, right? To me, it does matter, because that would mean that we stay in our channel, right? We have one touch. We have multiple touches here. We have a third touch here. And if we can somehow, within the next 22 minutes, I don't know if Bitcoin's going to do it. It's looking a little laggy right now. But if Bitcoin can come back up and close above 37.4, I would be feel a little bit better, but it's kind of a long shot at this point. We need like $1,000 pump in the next 22 minutes, which I don't see happening at this point. But hey, Bitcoin's done crazier things in the past. That's what I will say. But one thing that I will note here, just to start off with, things that might be somewhat, I'm not going to say bullish, but might give us an indication that we might get a bounce sometime soon. I'm not going to call for a bounce, guys. I'm not going to call for a bounce. Calling for a bounce when Bitcoin's moving down like this is a fool's errand. And I'm not going to be the one that's going to be calling for a bounce at every damn level, okay? I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to call for a bounce here. But what I will say is the daily RSI is at the same level that we were in back in July, though we did go a little bit lower, and we did go sideways slightly lower back in July, or in June and July. And also what I'll say is we do have a little bit of MACD bullish divergence here on the daily, right? Where we're getting higher lows. You guys can see it down here. Higher lows on the MACD, lower lows in price action. So that combined with the RSI being oversold could lead to some upwards price action. Though, like I said earlier, TA is TA right now. I'm not going to... There's so many outside factors going on with the Fed and the freaking war that's about to start, right? This about... What's next? We're gonna get overtaken by aliens. What is next? An alien's gonna start flying in here, right? I'm just waiting for it. I'm waiting for it next. I mean, what else can happen? What else can happen? We have a freaking sickness that's going around. We're gonna have a war. We're gonna have economic instability. What else is next? I don't even know what to say. Like the next, we're gonna see aliens start taking over the damn world. Okay, oh, you can't even see him. You can't even see him. Is this one better? There we go. Subscribe. Why does it say subscribe? There's no good aliens. What about this one? Oh yeah, we're gonna have aliens taking over the world at this point. What the heck is next? What the heck is next? But what I will say is, let's see what happens. Let's see what. DJ said, what the heck is this? This is an alien. This is an alien face, okay? All right? Let me have some fun, okay? But yeah, I mean, 36.5 is a level we're watching for. But like I said, we have bullish divergence on the MACD. We have oversold on the daily. If there was ever a level to bounce, this would be it. I know we said that a million freaking times. So I'm not going to call for a bottom here. But unless aliens start taking over the world, I think... just based on what I'm seeing here, I don't see Bitcoin going too much lower. I just don't, right? I know I've been bearish the last few weeks. I'm just looking at some of these indicators down here, and I can't see Bitcoin going extremely bullish unless we get some, like I said, unless aliens start taking over the world and we have some absolutely massive moves back to the downside. All right, I just can't see it. I can't see it whatsoever. Let me take this off. He said poop indicator. It's not a piece of poop, man. That's not a piece of poop. Let me take a sip of my shake here. Just went to the gym. What'd you guys do at the gym today? If you guys went to the gym, Let me know what part you guys worked on today. Today, I did, I kind of did the bro workout today. I definitely did the bro workout. I did some chest, did some biceps, and did some abs. I 100% I take credit for doing definitely the bro workout today. The chest, the biceps, and the abs. All day, man. The bro workout. What'd you guys do? Daniel did traps. Nice, nice. Tomorrow, gym. It's going lower. Chest and abs. Yeah, you did the bro workout today too. Jazz did her ass. Jazz did her ass. Nice. Nice. Deadlifts. Drew said I went to the gym. I did core and arms. There you go. Nice, nice. Safe Moon Ape said he had his right hand. His right hand. Oh man, that's good. That's real good. But let's get off this damn chat. Let's get off this damn chat. Nope. Oh man. Yeah, guys, don't be panicking. All right, let's go to the weekly. We're gonna take a look at the weekly, the monthly. My good friend Algo asked for to take a look at the MACD on the monthly. We'll check out that in a second. The weekly, one thing I will say too, and I'm not here to just spread hopium, right? I'm just trying to be slightly positive. I'm not trying to sit here and sulk, right? I'm not a sulker. I'm generally a pretty positive person. I am not a sulker. I'm not one who's going to sit here and go, why? I'm not going to be sitting here and crying, right? But the weekly does have some bullish divergence that's starting to be formed. Now, it's not confirmed until we get some type of reversal to the upside. Obviously, right now, there is no sign of reversal, right? If anything, it's the opposite of a reversal. It's just us getting absolutely destroyed back down to the downside, okay? Shout out to my girl who did a walk today. Shout out to her. But yeah, I mean, there's no sign of doing any type of reversal, right? I mean, you guys can see, but we do. Like, if there's any way Bitcoin to get some type of green here, right? We got some bullish div where we got some higher lows and we got some lower lows coming down the weekly from the July bottom. Okay, now like I said, it's not confirmed until we get some type of upwards action, but it is starting to form. Just keep that in mind. I'm not going to say it's going to play out. I'm not very confident that it's going to play out at the moment. I am not very confident in Bitcoin in the short term. I'm going to be honest, but it is there. Okay, it is there. We wanted to look at the monthly MACD. The monthly MACD has flipped bearish. We're bearish. We are bearish. I say Bitcoin's bearish.
Bitcoin is bearish.
But what I will say is, I mean, we are flipping bearish on the monthly MACD, but what I will say is, if we actually look down here, I mean, we flipped bearish down here in September. We flipped down here basically bearish in, December 2019. We kind of, other than the big March crash, we pretty much just went sideways before continuing up. So it doesn't mean we have to get some massive move to the downside, even though we did, right? We had a massive capitulation wick to the downside. But I mean, typically it's not what you want to see. So monthly MACD is flipping bearish. We'll obviously have to wait and see what that brings. Is the monthly have bullish div? The monthly is starting to form slight bullish divergence here. Like we said, it's not confirmed until you get some type of move to the upside. And obviously we have not gotten any move to the upside whatsoever. Okay? Whatsoever. At all. Jordan told you you are not normal, but all chat spam me because you. Listen, man. I have no idea what you just said. Right? To me, whatever you just typed in the chat, this is what it sounds like, man. I have no idea what you just said in the chat, okay? But I'll take it in. I will take it in. But listen, I have no idea what you just said. All right, it's time. It's time, guys. It's time that we throw the fractal in the trash. Let's all get ready, guys. Let's all get ready. The ceremony. Right in the fractal trash. GG. GG. It was good to know you. It was very, very good to know you. Someone said finally. Finally, it's in the trash. There it goes. Trash for fractals only. Rest in peace, Fractal. Hopefully, you know, maybe you'll come back at some point. There's always going to be another day where we might need some type of, you know, wick off hope. You know, someday we'll get the wick off hope. But I guess today, I guess was not the day. It was just not the day for the old wick off Fractal. So rest in peace, man. Hopefully we see you soon. It was nice to know you. It was very, very nice to know you. Oh man. Here we go. I knew this was coming. John said Jordan wants us to hold so he can rug pull us with his other YouTube mates. Listen, man. That is literally one of the dumbest things I've ever heard. Okay? Hold on real quick. How dumb? Say if I was in some group with a bunch of YouTubers, okay? How dumb would we have to be to rug pull right now? What the heck does that... What does that even mean? Okay? What does that even mean?
Rant alert.
What the heck does that even mean? We would have done that at the top. You freaking imbecile. You freaking imbecile. And why would I sacrifice my integrity to be bullish the whole way down, okay? To be wrong the whole way down when I could have been bearish at the top and been sounding like a damn champ. Why the heck would I do that? Okay? Why the heck would I do that? If I wanted to make a bunch of money, I'd be shilling altcoins like every other YouTuber does. I'd be shilling altcoins every single day. Do I do that?
Nope.
So get out of here with your BS. All right?
Bruh.
George got wrecked. What are you saying here? Let's see. What you guys saying here? What are you guys saying? Meher said, "Hi, Senpai Jordan. You are legit." Why am I Senpai? Because I go, "Komasa." Everyone's gonna chill. Komasa. 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 Being that guy in the chat. Let's see. Bear goes roar. The bear goes roar. Maybe we do need the bear ears today. Do we need the bear ears today? Do we need it? Someone said, the Kraken said, "I don't know about y'all. That rant turned me the F on." We might, I don't think we need the bear ears on today, guys. It's not the type of bear ears day. It's really not. It's really not. It's not that type of day. Anyways, let's get back to the charts before I get way too carried away. Because I tend to get very carried away. They gave me the super chat though. Who was that? That was Mayher. And then Big Papa Bear. Ethan said, "Don't panic. Invest in other people's fear." Facts, man. Facts. I mean, listen, I'm not going to say the bottom's in, but I mean, I would say that to take advantage of some of these prices. I mean, look at these. ETH's down 15% today. All we can do is laugh, man. All we can do is laugh. ETH is down 15% today. Good thing I divorced her, okay? ADA's down 11. Link's down 14. DOT's down 15. Data's down 17%. Harmony's down 18%, bro. All we can do is laugh. It already happened. You can't control what happened, okay? You can't control it, right? You can't control it. You just got to be positive, all right? That's about all I can say at this point, all right? You just got to be positive. Michael said, "Buy gold, buy silver, buy bonds." I'm not buying silver, okay? I am definitely not buying silver.
Nope.
I'm definitely not buying gold.
Nope.
And I'm definitely not buying bonds. Definitely not buying bonds.
Nope.
Chill and don't sell red. Prepper
Smile said, Chris, love you, man. We're short term. Where's ETH going? We'll take a look at ETH in a second. And then, and don't sell greed. Prepare for 8 fear and greed. We might get the lowest fear and greed. Guys, let's do a bet real quick. Let's do a bet. Do you guys think that we're going to get the lowest fear and greed ever in the history of Bitcoin? Let me know in the chat. I think the lowest we've ever had is, let's see what the lowest we've ever had. The lowest we've ever had on BTC is, I think it was an 8. I know, back here I think we got a 5. I think this was a 5 right here. You can't, it doesn't hover over it for some reason. But I think right there we got a 5 right here. Right here, this one right here. I think it was in August of 2019. I think we might get the lowest we've ever gotten. I have to assume, man. I can't imagine that there's been more fear ever in the market. I just can't. I can't imagine. I just can't. All right, what else do I want to say? No, we got to wait for the weekly close for the hash ribbons buy signal. I think this could be coming. I think the hash riggins. What are we talking about? NBA here with Andrew Wiggins or something? I think obviously it's too early to tell, but I think if we get the close where we are now, there's a good shot that this could be rolling over here soon. And you guys know I'm a big fan of this. Just looking back, I mean, buying it whenever this was a buy signal was a great time. Obviously, we're not even close for it to going off, right? We got to have these crossover. We got to have these cross back up over, right? So basically, the green has to go over the gray, and then it has to cross back over to get a buy signal. I've actually went back and back tested this, and it's actually better to buy when it actually flips the first time. So if this flips red, which I would assume if Bitcoin kind of does its thing, I don't know when it's going to flip, but I would assume it's probably going to flip sometime soon. This trend line broke, so all the everyone that was talking about this trend line, I kind of said it was cherry picked for a while, right? Where you took the October 2020 low to the July 21st low to our January 22nd low. I always thought that was slightly cherry picked anyway, but that is flush down to the downside. So that is pretty much nullified. So we can give that one a fat 0. Okay, our 21-week EMA extension, we got to wait for the close, right? So right now we are dipping below our support line on the 20-week EMA extension. If you guys don't know what this is, I basically made this just to kind of measure the how far Bitcoin's price is extended from the 20-week moving average. Right now we are dipping below that. So we got to wait for the close, but right now we're dipping below it. So maybe that we could also say is going to the downside. Quick move it. We got to move it like savvy, man. All right, hold on. Let me move it. We're actually going to do this. We're going to go from the March. Here we go. This is legit. Ready? We're going to do this. Boom. All right. There we go. Here's our new line, guys. This is our new line right here. Just like savvy. There we go. Just like savvy. You know what's funny, guys? You know what's funny? You guys know Market Makers, right? The channel Market Makers. He was actually This guy's always wrong, bro. This dude Market Makers is always wrong. I listen, I'm not always right either, but this dude's always wrong. Whenever he's bearish, Bitcoin goes up. Whenever we're bullish, Bitcoin goes down. We had Market Makers hyping up the wick off like me. Just like me. What's going on, guys? It's Brendan. I look like an Irishman. Look like an Irishman. Look at my little chops. Look at the chops. Look at the little chops. What's going on, guys? It's Brendan from Market Makers. Guys, we are still in a wick-off accumulation pattern. We are in a wick-off accumulation pattern. Bitcoin will move down to the upside. This is exactly like the summertime, guys. I am extremely bullish right now. The wick-off is performing. We also have a very, very bullish flying raccoon on the daily chart. You guys can see the flying raccoon right here, right? We have 2 wings right here on the flying raccoon and the head. This usually results in a massive move to the upside. Guys, don't count out the flying raccoon. The flying raccoon is the best pattern in crypto. It will move back to the upside. With the wick off accumulation pattern, we will move back up to the upside. The damn wick. The one time that market makers is bullish, we dump. It's too funny. It's too funny. But yeah, I mean, that is that was what went down there. The bullish raccoon. That it didn't play out, man. Enjoy this before YouTube pulls it. Sounds good, why me? Sounds good, man. But yeah, what else can we look at? Oh man, man, look at total. Look at total market cap. This thing is just like a red laser beam. This looks like Darth Vader's lightsaber when he pulled it out of it. Like, this looks like a very, very, I don't know if I can say this. This looks like a very, very horny Darth Vader lightsaber. Darth Vader lightsaber. This looks like Darth Vader, saw something he really, really liked, right? Boom! Boom! The giant red pickle to the downside. But yeah, I mean, total's probably coming back down to the 786 at this point, right? The 786, the 786 is back down here at 153. So 153 that's. Are we really going to do a 786 retrace on the total market cap? I mean, it looks like it. It looks like it's pretty likely at this point. So BTC Dementor draining my fiat. I'm just picturing a Dementor like this. I'm picturing who said that? Cody on the ground, just getting all his crypto getting sucked out of him like a Dementor. Oh man, but yeah, 1.52 trillion market cap. Let's see if that goes down there and test that. I mean, it's at this point, it's looking pretty likely after breaking the 618. I mean, we perfectly respected these on the way down. I mean, look at this. I mean, the 0.5 was support, the 0.618 was support. And this is probably coming back down here to the 786. Do not count that out at thy moment. We will be at one total market cap in no time. All the way down here, that wouldn't be too good. That would definitely not be too good, in my opinion. That would be brutal if that happened. Let me tell you. Warning shots fired. Oh, there's some serious warning shots fired, man. Warning shots fired. We'll go over some of that. You know what I think we need real quick before we jump into more charts? You know what I think we need quick? I think we need a little bit of positivity. We're about to get the daily close. Obviously, it's a crappy daily close. It's one of the worst daily closes that we've had in a while. It might be the biggest daily red candle that we've had. Let's take a look. I think it's bigger than that one. This is a big lightsaber, man. This is might be the biggest. Yeah, is it bigger than this one? Hold on. Let me measure these. Let me measure these pickles real quick. Let me measure these pickles. 13% pickle there. How big is this pickle? This is a... Oh, man. I mean, we just barely looked like we beat that one out here. 12% pickle, 13% pickle. So the biggest red pickle that we've had since September, it looks like, as far as candle bodies. Before that, I mean, you're looking all the way back to May, based on eye test here. So, I mean, that's a big... it's definitely a big pickle. It's not very often that I measure pickles, guys. 13 fear and greed. A 13 fear and greed index, huh? Let's see. That's it? That's it? 13? That's it? Seriously? 21% on True Classic Tees, guys. You guys want some really, really nice True Classic Tees t-shirts? This is the way to go. Let me tell you. That's the way to go. That's it. Literally. That's it. I'm not even scared. I'm literally not even scared. This is ridiculous. I was supposed to be more scared. This isn't Max Payne. Mom, I'm fine. Don't worry. You don't need to come back down. Can you bring my meatloaf, though? Bring my meatloaf and my Mountain Dew. I'm hungry. Oh, no, I'm not that scared. Maybe tomorrow I will be. Maybe you can sleep with me tomorrow, Mom. Okay. Thanks. I'm shocked. I'm shocked we're only at a 13, especially what I saw everywhere on Twitter and all that stuff today. A lot of craziness on Twitter and YouTube and all that fun jazz. Let me tell you, this stuff's good. You know what we're doing today, guys? We're getting the rally cap back on. Holy moly. We're getting the rally cap back on today. Rip Meatloaf. R.I.P. Meatloaf, man. Rip Meatloaf. There we go. Pamp it. All right, pamp it. I can't get too excited over this. We had a 4-hour candle back here that was like this, and then Bitcoin just went boop, right back to the downside. Boop. So I can't get too excited yet. Bank of Canada was right. Yeah, he was, man. He was. Wait, do we already do, no, we didn't do that yet. We didn't do that.
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping.
Boom! we need some tunes in here. We can't play the pump song. But that's pretty much what we have to do. Weekly's not looking good. No. I sang this song all day. Dude, it's literally stuck in my head. This thing is all kind of jacked up. There we go. All right. Let's go back to love. What are you guys saying in here? Hold up. Let me see what you guys are saying real quick. Bearish waterfall pattern forming on the 5-minute. Bearish waterfall. That's a new one. That's a new one for sure. Ralph said, I want to be in the shareholder meeting with Sailor. That's going to be awful. He's going to get absolutely destroyed. Imagine Sailor in his meeting, guys. He's going to be sitting there like, so, I bought, $300 million worth of Bitcoin at average of 53K. It's going pretty well. It's going pretty well for me, guys. What do you guys think, shareholders? What do you guys think? And they're all going to be pissed. Joe said, can you wish my nephew, Nick Eagers, happy birthday? Shout out to Nick Eagers. Happy birthday, my guy. Happy birthday, Nick Eagers. You are a stud. I hope you're invested in crypto. And I hope you're not panicking, probably like your guy here, Joe Garcia. All right? Don't be panicking like Joe. Don't be doing it, man. We positive out here. On this channel, we stay positive, all right? We might be bearish on the charts, but in life, we stay positive, even if the charts look bearish, right? Because you can't control what you can't control. And you can't control the charts unless you're some giant whale. And let me tell you guys, none of us have the capital. Even if you might be slightly well off, okay? None of us in here have the type of capital to move the market. So we can't control it. So we are minnows in the little stream that's going across. None of us are this guy coming across, right? The only guy that might be in here is probably Savvy. That might be a whale, right? Savvy might be the only whale in here. That's about it. That's probably the only whale that exists. Let's see. Savvy's trolling everyone. Oh, man. I can move ETH. DJ, you can't move ETH, bro. You can't move ETH. If you can move ETH, move it to the upside, man. Move it to the upside. If you don't move ETH to the upside tonight, I'm going to call you out. Yeah, Squiggy, rest in peace, man. Squiggy, I was hoping Squiggy came back at some point, especially during the last run up, but he definitely didn't come back. All right, so Bitcoin is chilling like a villain at 36.3. I don't see a reason why we still can't go a little bit lower here. The stock market. Look at that red candle here on the S&P. That is a giant red candle. I definitely don't like that one. We kind of broke the trend that the S&P had since we're talking May of 2020, right? We smacked that trend. So right now, it's probably likely this comes a little bit lower too, which is going to affect crypto. Luckily, it's the weekend. I don't know if that's lucky or not. Obviously this ended not too well. So is it going to go into the weekend? Probably. I mean, I'm not going to say it won't. We might be seeing a very kind of a shady weekend. Or maybe we use the weekend to bounce back up, and then next week the stock market keeps dumping and we keep going down. There's so many options. There's so many options that Bitcoin has right now, right? There's so many options. You had a bad day, the candle don't lie. Sing a sad song, just turn it around. You say you don't know, you tell me don't lie. That's a great song. I'm probably going to get copyright because I did that. Copyright, because my voice is so good. It's so good. You had a bad day, you say you're going down. I don't even know the words, but it's great. All right, let's go. Let's look at ETH. I know everyone wants to look at ETH. I don't want to look at ETH. Oh, all you can do is look at this and just go, "Oh my, holy candle, holy candle!" That is a giant candle, bro. Oh man. All you can do is laugh. Like, you can't do anything with this. All you can do is laugh at this. Look at this thing. Holy majoli. This is probably the biggest. This is probably the biggest red candle that we had. 15%. 15% red candle. Literally. 15% red candle. That's nuts. And that is the biggest red candle that we've had. A candle body red candle. We're talking candle body red candle. It's bigger than that one. It's probably this one over here. Yeah. I can't believe we had a 27% dip one day. That's nuts. We had a 27% dip on ETH in one day. I don't even remember that. You guys remember when ETH had a 27% dip in one day? I don't remember that. Holy majoli, that was a big day. Crap. And even had a wick. We even had a wick. This thing actually dumped. This thing dumped 45% on one day? I feel like I don't remember that. I feel like this is not true. I feel like this is a fake chart. Anyways. Yeah, I mean, ETH is coming down. It's the same thing for ETH. I mean, we looked at Bitcoin. Let's see. I mean, we came back down, and man, you'll probably come back to the 786 for ETH too. 2,388. 2,388. That's most likely where you're coming back down there. It's probably most likely at this point. That's at least where you're coming down to. And if that breaks, well, I hate to say it, but there's not much. I mean, you have some support in here and whatever, but it's not much until 1,700. Down here, you went straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. There's not much in between here. So you're going to hope that the 786 holds here at 2,388. That's what you want to do. ETH wants a divorce and all the alimony. Listen, I already divorced ETH, and joke's on her. I had a prenup.
Rant alert.
Boom. Sorry, ETH. But yeah, 2388. 2388 on Captain Ethereum. Or should I say Sergeant? I should say Private Ethereum at this point. So Jeff said, I will buy ETH at 350. 350 bucks? If ETH drops to 350 bucks, oh boy. I will be... I'd probably be a little upset, but at the same time, I would be pretty happy. I mean, listen, if ETH ever dropped to 350 bucks, holy majoli. Holy majoli. I've been picking up extra shifts at all the freaking, I'd be working at McDonald's, Burger King, Taco Bell, Wendy's. I'd be working 80 hours a week. Okay? I would be working 80 hours a week, no sleep. Okay? And I would be scooping up every ETH that I could. Literally. Every single one. I don't know about you guys. Tom said he just admitted he sold all his ETH. I didn't sell my ETH. I divorced ETH. Okay? I very, very much divorced ETH. Which I'm very happy that I had divorced ETH. Very happy I divorced ETH. There's always there's always better things out there. Let's see what else you guys are saying here. What are you guys doing in the chat? The chat is I can't tell what's going on in the chat today. I can't tell. The chat, I think everyone's just kind of, I hate to say it, I think everyone's kind of depressed right now. I think everyone's kind of depressed, right? Because usually I see, all the bears trolling and everything like that, but I don't even see the bears in the chat anymore. I think everyone is just very, very sad, very, very depressed. You know what I mean? The chat is insane tonight. I'm not even seeing trolls. I'm not even seeing bears, despite the fact that Bitcoin's at 36.2. That's crazy. Bullish. The New Green Deal said bullish. I asked this earlier today, guys. Where do you think we are in the market cycle? Okay, I asked this on tonight's stream. Looney, I got you, bro. I asked this earlier on tonight's stream, or this morning's stream. Where do you guys think we are in the Wall Street cheat sheet? Okay? Such a Wall Street cheat sheet. That's even better to say. You guys remember I like to say BTT? That's even better than saying BTT. It's even better than saying BTT. But yeah, what do you got? Where do you guys think we are? I would argue that, people are going to say we're at anger. We said this morning. Bob was kind of complaining about it. Who shorted the market? Why did the government let this happen? This is ridiculous. We need regulation. This is ridiculous. Where's the government? This is all their fault. We don't have regulation. This is all the YouTubers' fault. Hyping up 100K. No. I don't think we're at anger yet. I think we're at somewhere. I would argue that earlier today we were at denial. I would argue we're at panic. I think we're at panic. I would argue that before the dip we had today, we were at denial. Okay, everyone was like, "Don't worry, it'll bounce back." Right? We're still holding like 40, 39.6, and then today happened. Okay, now I think it's like crap. Everyone's selling. I need to get out. I think everyone's trying to get out right now. Everyone's waiting for a relief rally to get out, and that's the issue. Everyone's waiting for a relief rally. Will we get, that relief rally that sort of pushes us back up slightly? Everyone takes out what they have, and then we come back down. That's the only issue I have right now because we haven't really gotten a relief rally. Right? We've gotten no relief rally for BTC up to this point. I mean, we've pretty much gone straight down, right? I mean, we've gone up, we've consolidated sideways, we've gone down. We've consolidated sideways, we've gone down. We've consolidated sideways, we've gone down. We've gotten no relief rally. And I'm not going to say we have to, right? In May, we got no relief rally. But, typically, markets don't go straight down. You got to assume that at some point you get a relief rally to the upside. At least it doesn't mean we have to go up to all-time highs, but at least for people to take profits if they want to take profits. Yet we have not gotten one yet. And I will state again, it doesn't mean that we have to get a relief rally. Doesn't mean. I love this mall sale dip. Interesting. Let me see what you guys are saying in here. Smiles. Looney said, savvy hit targets flawlessly and making money shorting. Nice, Savvy. I'm happy for you, man. Listen, I'm happy when people make money. I'm not even mad. I am not even mad, right? I don't get mad when the bears make money when the prices go down, right? It's only the bears that get pissed when the price goes up. I've noticed. I don't get mad when the bears make money. I'm just mad that, my portfolio is going down. I'm not mad that the bears are making money at all. Well, they'll get the relief rally when there's enough shorts on the books. JC would say, what do you think is the low, Jordan? Man, at this point, listen, guys. I mean, at this point, I'm not going to make... It's tough for me to make any calls, man. It's tough for me to make any calls because I look at the technicals here, right? And the technicals are the technicals. I'm not going to take the technicals to the grave. The technicals, as far as MACD, bullish div, daily RSI being oversold, at least on the daily chart, show that we could see a reversal to the upside. Not saying to all-time highs, but at least a move back up. And I don't want people to confuse that with us being the bottom. I could see Bitcoin coming back down to 30K. I could see it at this point. I could definitely see a 30K Bitcoin. And then that might, scare a lot of you guys. But just looking at what we're looking at, I think that's slightly possible. Now, like I said, we might get a retrace up first before coming back down to sort of reset these daily indicators. But I think that's definitely likely at this point is 30K. I think that's extremely likely. Check dominance. You can check dominance. We kind of said if 40K, if 39.6K breaks, 30K could be on the cards. Could be on the cards. It will never break 28K ever again. Interesting. I love peanut butter, man. I love peanut butter. Let me know in the chat if you like peanut butter. I know you guys are scared right now, but let me know in the chat if you like peanut butter. I love peanut butter. I love chocolate. And I love milk. And I love bananas. You mix all those things up, you get a delicious concoction. That is delicious every day. I can literally drink this every day. Someone said cheese. I didn't ask if you like cheese, man. That's so random. He said cheese. Low. Full. Pull. Who likes peanut butter? Peanut butter pull. DJ, you don't like peanut butter? What the heck's wrong with you, bro? What the heck's wrong with you? I said to BitB on stream, he sold his crypto today because he's too happy. He got angry and said that I don't know what I'm talking about after a few minutes. He admitted they selling from some time now. Yeah, I don't know what's actually going on over there, right? I was expecting BitBoy to sell his crypto. I turned it on today. I was all excited. I had my popcorn and everything. I was sitting back with my popcorn, popping it in my mouth. Just eating all my popcorn, okay? Eating it all. And I got on, and this is what he had to say. The best channel in the interweb. Holy traps! The best channel in the interwebs. Guys, we have not sold any of our crypto, okay? I'm too scared to sell my crypto. I realized that today. I was sitting back, and I did a lot of research today, and I said, I'm just too scared to sell my crypto. Now, 10 minutes later. But, I did move. Hold on, I'm laughing at something in the chat. I did move. We did move about 10% of our crypto into stablecoins. Okay, I know I didn't tell you guys that earlier. I kind of left that out, but we did move about 10% of our crypto into stablecoins to be able to buy the dip. So yes, we did do a little bit of dip, and I did tell you guys we're going to sell under 39K. I'm just too scared to sell my crypto. I'm just too scared to do it. I'm too scared to do it. Listen, I think BitBoy did not sell because he knew the backlash that he would get, right? Everyone would be calling him paper hand boy, paper hand boy, paper hand boy. I remember when they were doing that last summer, calling him paper hand boy. And I think he was scared of the backlash, which I get, right? I get it from his perspective, right? But, let's see. I mean, at this point, it probably would have been better if he did, right? At this point, right? We didn't hold the 40K line like we were trying to, right? That was the final boss that was the final boss as I said on Twitter yesterday, and we didn't hold it. So it would have been better if we did at this point. Let's be honest. It would have been better if we all did. But obviously, I'm not in the business of trying to time the tops and bottoms. I accumulate at the prices I want to accumulate, and I go from there, right? And I think the longer in this market, the more you realize that's probably the better option, unless you're crypto face, which, I'm clearly not crypto face, right? I am clearly not crypto face, as you guys can see. I have no face. Okay? Literally none. Look at all these pencil necks still holding their crypto. Look at all these pencil necks. Yeah. I'm in a $5 million long position right now. Scare money don't make no money, bro. Scare money don't make no money. Look at all these pencil necks making fun of me in the chat. Guys, I am bearish. Right now. Look at all these pencil necks. Guys, we are going back down. We are going back down, and we're gonna vibe out on today's stream. Remember, I don't have a damn mask. But you get the point. I'm not crypto face. No one in this chat is crypto face. So we got to do what you got to do. Hodl. Scare money don't make no money. You know what I got to do? I got to reach out to that guy, because I want to reach out to that guy that makes all those songs and ask him if I can play it on a stream. I mean, it would be free advertising for him. I mean, it would be a win-win. It would be free advertising for him, and then I could play him on my streams. I don't understand. I don't get why he wouldn't allow me to do it. I got to reach out to that guy. I got to do it because I want to get some of those songs in the stream. I love those songs, especially the one that's like, obviously scare money don't make no money, but also the one that's like, don't fret, don't buy the dip. I know, what's the other one? It's like, don't fret, don't buy the dip. Something by the dip. That's a good one too. Known chakra. Yeah, I got to hit up known chakra for sure. Crypto Face owns those songs. Damn. I guess I gotta reach out. I gotta reach out to Crypto Face. Man, the chat's going nuts. Absolutely nuts. All right, what are you guys saying in here? Shard said McDonald's hat time. It's almost McDonald's hat time, man. Listen, I'm not in the. I gotta put the hat back on backwards because that's the way I like to roll. But yeah, I mean, listen. What was I gonna say? Oh, I was gonna put the McDonald's hat on, but George is we're currently working at McDonald's, and I told you guys I got fired from McDonald's. I'm trying to reply to Burger King, and they just won't hire me. They won't hire me. I don't know why, right? I'm a very nice guy, Is BTC just leveraged stock market index fund? At this point, yes. It's just a more volatile stock at this point. That's what it's been lately, at least. You know what I mean? Man, Bitcoin's just not getting any bids, man. No bids at this level. Absolutely none. Look at this bounce for ants at the moment. Look at this bounce for ants. It's literally so small to the point where it's just ridiculous. Look at this bounce. Like an ant can bounce higher than this. You know what I mean? I don't even know if ants can jump. Can ants jump? If an ant jumped, it would be like an ant would be like that's how Bitcoin's bouncing right now. It's ridiculous. Let's see. People know the bottom's lower. That's true. Let's see. Troll Bob said, at these prices, credit card can't afford the $5 anymore. Sorry until the bulls. pull up their pants. What? Sorry until the bulls pull up their pants? That's crazy. I guess ants can fly? That's true. Oh, man. Let's see. I got great cooking skills. Why doesn't Burger King want to hire me? Listen, I can cook many things, but apparently I can't fry fries, and I can't cook a burger. I can't do it. I can't do it. Maybe it's because I'll flip out on the manager, right? I'll flip out on the manager. Do you know who I am? I'm a crypto streamer. You can't talk to me like that. I'm frying the fries fine, man. Don't talk to me like that. No, I'm frying the fries fine. Do you know who I am? I'm a crypto celebrity. Like, don't tell me how to fry the fries, okay? I know how to fry the fries, all right? They might be a little bit soggy, right? But they're fine, okay? They're fine. That would be me if I worked at McDub's. Oh, man. Totally. I'm a crypto streamer. Yeah. You'll get the managers into NFTs and the Burger King will go around. All right, let's see. Clint said, what did Clint say? Clint say, another $100 bet. Oh, here we go. Clint with his $100 bets. He loves the $100 bet. Let's see. What are you saying? One, I love Jordan's TA. Two, it sucks. You win a super chat. You $100. Wait, hold on. What does that mean? I lose, you buy another $100 worth of SHIB. Oh, man, I don't want to buy SHIB right now. I don't want to buy SHIB. SHIB's back down to 22. I really don't want to buy SHIB. I don't. I mean, I guess I kind of understand. Clint, what's the bet here? What's the bet? Do a poll. I love Jordan's TA. It sucks. You win. I super chat you $100. You lose. I buy. Okay. Listen, do I get to pick the answer though, Clint? Do I get to pick the answer here? Because I know what people are gonna say. People are gonna troll the crap out of me. I already know. What is your answer? Let's see. I love Jordan's TA. All right, Clint. I'm taking option number 2. I'm taking option number 2. Okay. Here we go. All right, guys. Poll is up. I'm taking option number 2. I already know how this is going down. Let's see. Azam said, what's the difference between a crypto communist and a cryptocurrency? The crypto is worth something. What? I don't even understand that. What does that even mean? No, guys, vote option number 2. Vote option number 2, please. Come on. The one time you guys don't troll me, you vote that you like my TA. Come on, man. You guys troll me every day, but today you don't. You guys are ridiculous. You guys are absolutely ridiculous, man. Still trolled. I guess I'm still being trolled. Let's see. Here for the hard bro vibes. Yeah, we got the bro vibes up in here. That's what we do. We got the bro vibes. Okay, that's what we do all day. Sir Dude said Bitcoin. Hold on, let me get off SHIB here. I'm probably gonna have to buy SHIB at this point, man. You gotta be ridiculous. I'm so pissed off right now. I'm so pissed. Sir Dude said Bitcoin at 30K. Where will the top alts? Wait, hold on. Where will the top alts prob be at? ETH, Link, AVAX, and Matic. That's a good question, man. That's a question probably. I think at this point, it looks like Bitcoin's probably going to 30K. I'm going to be honest. Where will ETH be? If Bitcoin goes to 30K, ETH is coming back down to 1,700, right? Because if we look at basically where Bitcoin was last time we were at 30K, ETH went to 1,700. Okay, so I would say that ETH would be at 1,700. I would say that Link would be at least 13. Probably less this time because it looks like it's already kind of getting there. I would say that Link at least will be at 13. If not, maybe even a little bit lower, maybe even closer to $12. AVAX would be, man. I mean, AVAX went to, we're in the AVAX. The good thing about AVAX is probably not going back down to $9, which is the good thing. And I would say that AVAX would probably come to this support here, probably around like 40, probably around $40. That might be a little bit low. That might be slightly low. Yeah, I would say between 40 and 50 probably, depending how fast it comes down. And Matic. I would assume Matic. Let's just do a retracement on Matic, since Matic's a little bit different. Whoa! That's not a retracement. That's not the retracement we needed, guys. How's my poll doing? Oh, come! I have to buy another $100 worth of SHIB. You got to be kidding me, man. You got to be kidding me, bro. Now I have to own $200 worth of SHIB. This is some bullshit. That's what I'll say. This is some bullshit. But yeah, I mean, Matic 786 retracement 110 would make some sense. I know those prices seem extremely low, but you gotta imagine if Bitcoin drops another 7K, you gotta imagine that these things would move down pretty fast, just like they did in May. You know what I mean? Juicy prices, very very juicy prices, very juicy prices. Buy SHIB. It won't be 200%. Jordan's going to start another SHIB rally. I might as well be king of the shibbers now. I might as well be the next final stand at this point. As AM said, what's the difference between oh no, we did this one. We did that one. Krieg said, I blame you for having that stupid Vitalik clapping song stuck in my head all day yesterday. Well, listen, we love the Vitalik clapping song. There's not much I can do, right? I mean, everyone loves the clapping Vitalik song. Let me know in the chat if you don't like the clapping Vitalik song. Let me know in the chat. All right, I lost this bet. GG, Dale, not Dale, Clint. GG, Clint. I just called Clint Dale. He's probably going to be pissed at me. He's probably going to be pissed. But yeah, I lost the bet. It's slightly unfortunate. I have to own $200 worth of SHIB now. I'm officially a shibber. SHIB. It's some bullshit. But yeah, here we go. I'm over 2 on bets here. You guys are such trolls, man. Because if I picked option number 1, if I said I pick option number 1, you guys would have said my TA sucks. I can never win. I should have kept my mouth shut. I knew they were going to pick whatever I said. You know? It's all good, man. Hey, at least you're making me buy the dip. You're making me buy the dip. Right? I only have $100 worth of fiat left. I don't have much fiat left. So I guess I got to buy $100 worth of fiat. You know? Drew said, do not do it. I'm a man of my word. I am a man of my word. I'm not going to shy. You know, I gotta buy $100 worth of SHIB. Man. Where's Bitcoin? 36,657. So I mean, we still chilling for the most part. Alts are starting to trying to bounce back. I mean, dominance. Let's see, dominance. Bitcoin dominance on the weekly, trying to come back up. And nothing definitive just yet. Nothing definitive. Still just kind of ranging for the most part here. We've been up here multiple times. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Sideways, you know, crisscross, you know, blah, 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 blah. We've been everywhere in this range. So, still waiting to see if this gets a move back up. Obviously, if Bitcoin dumps, you're going to see the dominance come up. You're going to see the dominance come up. At least. You know, probably at least a 48%, especially if Bitcoin has one more giant dump. You're going to see altcoins get pummeled. Okay? And I'm just being honest. I mean, you saw it today. You saw it today. ETH was down, what, 12% today? I mean, there was altcoins down 17% today. Like, that's just the nature of the game, especially in times of uncertainty, right? Can you guys believe that we were at 69K not too long ago? We were at 69K. Shout out to 69K. 69 is a great number, by the way. But yeah, we went up to 69K. We were not there too long ago. It seems like just yesterday. Seems like just yesterday. Now it's been a slow grind. A slow grind back down. It's all over. It's all over. Let's see. Peter Perry said the greatest reset incoming. Man, that sounds pretty brutal, man. That sounds pretty brutal. 69K. Don't trip, just buy the dip. Don't trip, just buy the dip. Don't trip, just buy the dip. Polar gets a pump. Polar gets a pump. All right. What else can we look at, man? I mean, there's not much else. Whoa, what's the anti-SHIB deal? The anti-SHIB? The anti-SHIB deal, I don't really have anything up against SHIB anymore. I used to have a thing against SHIB. I'm over it. I've been over the SHIB hate for a while. It's more so just a joke now. I like to piss off the SHIBers, and I like to piss off the XRPers. I think it's fun. It's so fun. They get so mad. They're like little elves when they get married. They're like they're like little elves. Especially the XRPers. They get so mad. Let me see. What would remind me of one of them? Hold on. I'll show you guys exactly what I mean here. They're like little elves when they get mad. Let's see. Here we go. Why are you talking crap about XRP? XRP's going to the moon, man. It's going to the moon, man. Just wait till the SEC. Just wait till the SEC finishes the case. It's only been 2 years. Just wait. It's gonna happen, man. It's gonna happen. Stop hating. You're just a hater, man. You're just a hater. XRP to the moon, bro. To the moon. Give me that hopium. BitBoy, let me suck on. All the XRPers get so mad, man. Oh, man. The XRPers. XRP, the flippening, please. Whales bought high. XRP is going to the grave. This sounds like financial advice. This ain't no financial advice. It's in a description, bro. It's in a description. No financial advice on this channel. Okay? When is Jabba going to start constructing in the new bedroom? Imagine there will be a lot of gold leaf. Jabba's busy right now. Jabba is very busy right now. I don't even want to know what he's doing right now. You can probably go see. What is Jabba doing right now? Well, I don't know what the heck that was. What the heck is Jabba doing?
Nope.
You ready, Melissa? Are you ready, babe? I told you didn't want to know what he was doing. I told you. It's very, very loud in there for some reason. I don't know why it's very loud in there. I told you guys didn't want to know. I tried to warn you. Java turned. I love the double clap, man. I love the double clap. It's great. It's just so loud in there. I can't ignore it. You guys could probably hear it a little bit. Can't believe Java would wear a short sleeve hoodie. We all about the short sleeve hoodie, man. You guys are jealous about my short sleeve hoodie. Don't even hate on the short sleeve hoodie, man. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat if you guys like short sleeve hoodies, or you guys. I mean, let me know. Let me know if you don't like short sleeve hoodies. Let me know. I even like the sleeveless hoodies. The sleeveless hoodies are legit too. In the summertime, I'll be rocking the sleeveless hoodies. Okay, you guys will probably see me on stream with the sleeveless hoodies on, just like old times. Remember, guys, I used to wear like the sleeveless shirts. You probably see some sleeveless hoodies. You know, especially if it's nice out. Oh, I'll be rocking those. We all like hoodies. I respect the short sleeve hoodie. Nice. I don't. No? Come on, man. I like them from the gym. Exactly, Drew. Exactly. I generally usually dress like I'm going to the gym. I dress like I'm going to the gym all the time. You know what I mean? That's just kind of how I dress in everyday life. I'm a gym bro. I'm a gym bro. I wear a lot of Nike, Under Armour. You know, obviously if I'm going out, it's a little bit different. But, you know, in everyday life, you know, Nike, Under Armour, you know, and stuff like that. Kind of the guy that wears a hat backwards and blocks the sun with his with his hand. That's so true. Oh, man. Man. What are we talking about today? We were talking about nothing. We still having fun, though. Right? We're still having fun. I haven't even thought about the charts one time in the last 30 minutes, or at least for Bitcoin. And once again, we're still getting a pump for ants. You know, a very, very interesting pump for ants. But a pump for ants nonetheless. I mean, it's not really anything to go to home for. We can't, like I said, we can't schedule our Forbes interviews. Okay? We cannot schedule our Forbes interviews. So fashion chick. Cody said soon it's gonna be starter and champion. Probably, man. Probably. Ead said, Jordan, I am not okay. What's wrong? What's wrong, Ead? What's wrong, Ead? What's wrong, Ead? I would argue that, you know, people might disagree. Okay, I'm not saying this dip is over. All right, this dip, in my opinion, is probably gonna keep going. But what I'll say is here, okay? What I'll say is here, I think that the worst of it, okay, the worst of it, we probably already have gone through the worst of it, right? Think about it this way. I know this is probably not what you want to hear. But let's, from the top, Bitcoin is currently down about 47%. Think about it this way. Bitcoin's not going to drop another 47%. So think about it positively, right? We're already through the worst of it. Could it still go lower? Absolutely. Is it likely that it still goes lower? Absolutely. But in the grand scheme of things, I do think that we are through the worst of it, okay? And, you know, I think... You know, we still have a lot of tests to do, right? Even if we go back down to 30K, which I think is somewhat likely at this point, I think we're through the worst of it, right? I think we're, you know, at worst case, you know, I think, you know, obviously this is I think, because I think, you know, we're not going to drop another 47% to the downside, okay? But I would argue that we're not over yet, right? I mean, from here to the bottom, you're talking about, say if we did go back down to 30K-ish or even 29K, it's about a 58% dip. Do I see Bitcoin doing more than a 58% dip? That's only if the stock market gets hammered, right? That's only if the stock market goes down, in my opinion, like we're talking 40 to 50%. If the stock market goes down 40, 50%, yeah, you could probably see over a 58% correction on Bitcoin. But, you know... it's obviously a waiting game. We gotta wait to see. And I would say that I would argue that the worst of it is probably over, though we still probably have more downside, which you gotta stomach, right? You gotta stomach every night, guys. You guys should be doing some. All right, just chill out, because you can't control the markets, man. You can't control the markets, and if you feel like you made a mistake already, you can't go back in the past, right? Two of the most important things in life, right? You can't control what you can't control, right? Things are going to do what they're going to do. People are going to do what they're going to do. You can't control. You can't control what you can't control. And number two, you can't let your emotions run you, right? You can't let your emotions run you. So it's two very important things in life. Don't let your emotions run you, and don't. What I said before. What I said before. It is not possible for it to drop below 33K. I would say it's very possible for Bitcoin to drop below 33K. Why is it not possible? Anything's possible. I would argue that anything is possible. My portfolio down 25K, but in no way I panicked. Yeah. Do some TA. Listen, I mean, there's only so much TA we can do. I mean, Bitcoin just broke our support today. So now we're kind of, we can do all the TA in the world, which we did earlier. We've already done, 30 minutes of TA on Bitcoin. How much more TA can you do? You can't do much more, right? If you guys want more TA on Bitcoin, just rewind the stream to the beginning, right? We talked about every time frame. There's only so much you can do. And I'm not going to repeat myself over and over and over again, all right? Daily looks like it could be ready for a reverse back up, okay? But Bitcoin is in a bearish trend, with the stock market in a bearish trend. TA is only going to work so much when the total and the macro is bearish, right? If the macro remains bearish, we're probably just going to continue lower in the grand scheme of things, right? I mean, that's the way I look at it. So unless Monday comes around and the stock market starts pumping back to the upside, Bitcoin's probably just going to continue down as long as the stock market continues down. That's the reality of the situation. Does it suck? Yes. Does it make me want to slap my head?
Bruh.
Yes. But we can't control it. So there's no point in letting your mood be affected by Bitcoin's price movement, right? There's no reason to let your mood be affected by Bitcoin's price movement, right? There's no reason to do it. You already lost. Okay, you already lost. So you can't get too butthurt over it now. You can't change it. So I think we're through the worst of it. Still could go a little bit lower, but I think we're through the worst of it. And yeah, man. Now's the time where, did I think we'd ever see some of these prices again? Some of these prices, I would argue that I didn't think we were going to see again. Some of them I'd argue that I didn't think we'd see again. For example, like a $17 chain link. I didn't think we'd see that again. And a $1 ADA. I didn't think we were going to see that again. A $2,600 ETH. Maybe. But, even that, I mean, we're getting to some prices that, we are, I hate to say the cliche, like, oh, we're getting a gift, right? But I think we're getting a gift, right? I think we're getting a gift with some of these prices that we're getting right now. And, and think about it this way. It's either one of these two things, guys. We get more time to accumulate. So when the prices go back up, we make even more money. We don't know when it's going to be. It could be next month. It could be a year. It could be 2 years. I know that sounds crazy. Okay. But we're given more time to accumulate cheaper coins. Okay. We're getting more time to accumulate cheaper coins. This is total cliche. I hate saying cliche. It makes me want to puke, but it's true. We're getting more time to accumulate coins at prices that we didn't think we'd see again. Okay, so when the prices go back up, we'll make even more money. Just a matter of patience. Okay, just a matter of patience. The question is, as the prices are going down, are you going to be the person that takes advantage of this, or are you going to be the guy who sits on the sidelines for the whole time? Right? You're going to sit on the sidelines for the whole time like you did in the summer of 2021. Are you going to sit in the sidelines like you did the whole time in the bear market from 2018 to 2020? Are you going to sit in the sidelines, or are you going to have the cojones to DCA back in? I'm not saying you have to DCA back in now, but when the time comes to do it, are you going to have the balls to pull the trigger? That's the question. I know I will. But are you going to have the cojones to pull the trigger? The people that do will be the people that make the most money when the prices go back up. All right? Just a little rant.
Rant alert.
Someone said I'm accumulated out. Facts. I'll be the guy shorting the whole way down. There you go, Looney. Good luck, man. Listen, I hope it works out for you, dude. I hope it works out for you. I mean, at this point, I mean, we're already so far down. I wouldn't need... What's the difference between 36K and 30K at this point? There's no difference to me. Okay? You know? There's no difference to me. Between 36K and 30K at this point. So if we go down to 30K, it's... It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm waiting for the bottom. I've been all out for a month. Good luck timing the bottom, man. I hope you time the bottom, bro. I hope you time the bottom. Good luck, man. $0.05 V-Chain. She's going to pump, folks. Dale is always in here saying she's going to pump, folks. Every time I look at the chat, I see Dale in there. He's going to pump, folks. He's going to pump, folks. Just over and over and over again. Ah, man. Man. Listen, I'm in a good mood. You guys might not be in a good mood, but I'm in a good mood. And hopefully my good mood helps you be in a little bit better of a mood. I hope a little bit it does. Okay? Because I've been seeing negativity from a lot of people that I wouldn't expect negativity from. Right? I'm seeing negativity from everyone across the board. Literally everyone across the board. Now, there's a difference between being bearish and being negative, right? I'm slightly bearish, but I'm still positive about the situation. I'm seeing so much negativity in the space, a lot of negativity. Like I said, from people that, quite frankly, I would have never thought would be negative, right? You got BitBoy being extremely negative. I mean, I guess he's negative a lot. I guess that's a lie. You got George being extremely negative, right? I mean, you got everyone being negative. Everyone. How's my fractal playing out? Well, there you go. There you go. That's how my fractal's playing out. He's getting wasted tonight. I'm sure he's not streaming tonight. Chris said, I'm fine. I lost half my yearly salary and profits over 2 months. Listen, man. I'm not going to say I didn't either, okay? It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Listen, a lot of these guys, they're getting angry. It's like, dude, you got to always expect the worst. If you expect the worst, or not even expect the worst, you got to have the worst case scenario as a possibility. If you have the worst case scenario as a possibility, you're not going to get too upset, okay? It's either you weren't having this as a possibility, right? In the back of my head, this was always a possibility. Did I think it was likely? No. Was it always a possibility? Absolutely. And it happened, right? We said if Bitcoin broke 40K, we're probably going back down to 30K, okay? We're probably going back down to 30K. It's probably going to happen at this point. It was always a possibility. That's why it doesn't get me upset. If anyone's upset, they just had a very, very completely biased attitude. They had, 100% it was going up, right? Never going down, never going down, never going down. You can't be too biased. You gotta always be prepared for downside action. You can't just always think it's gonna go up, 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 up forever, right? Can't be up forever. Fractal. No George on Friday nights? Yeah. Okay, I'm not the only person in a good mood. That's good.
Nope.
I had to do it. Worst case scenario, in my opinion. What's your worst case scenario, John? I didn't see it, unfortunately. What do you guys saying in here? I missed some of these. Big Papa Bear, thank you, dude. He said, is it alt season net right now? It doesn't really look like alt season. It does not look like alt season. You got a bunch of people calling for an alt season, right? You got blockchain backers been calling for an alt season for a month plus. We haven't really gotten one, but You know, it's been calling for an alt season. We haven't had it yet. I do think whenever Bitcoin does have a retrace back to the upside, okay? Whenever Bitcoin does have a retrace to the upside, I think you're going to see altcoins perform very, very well in that thing. But we haven't gotten it yet, right? We haven't gotten the move back to the upside. We just haven't gotten it yet. Lupus said Gala is a great buy right now. Gala's been a great buy forever, right? Gala is so low. It's dropped so much. But everything's kind of dropped so much. You know what I mean? Everything's dropped so much. Sol, let's see. Sol Luna buy zones. Sol Luna buy zones, and did ever check George's secret car channel? I watched one of George's car channel videos, and it was pretty good. I liked it. I generally enjoyed it. I think the one I watched it on was the one he did on the I think it was the Toyota was it Toyota Tundra? The new Toyota Tundra, which I think looked pretty good. He didn't think it was that good. I thought the new Toyota Tundra looked pretty good myself. Obviously I don't know how it drives and stuff, but it looked damn good. It looked damn good. Not the truck I would get. Right? Not the truck I would get, but it looked nice. Sol and Luna buy zones, though. Sol, I mean, a lot of these you're probably looking at just fib retracements, right? So this one, Sol, man, Sol dropped below its low. Man, Sol's looking a little freaky right now. Looking a little freaky. But if we take the swing low to the swing high, and we go down. Oh yeah, we're at the golden pocket. So you still got the 786. I mean, listen, I don't know what Bitcoin's going to do from here. If you wanted to start dollar cost averaging now, I wouldn't blame you. But you know, I think that most of these altcoins are going to come back down to the 786 retracements, right? At the very least, I think $73, which is crazy, right? We're going to get $73 Solana. Probably, maybe even lower. I don't know. But $73 Solana, which is pretty crazy. At one point, it was at $259. But yeah, I mean, $73 Solana. I mean, that's probably what I see happening there. You know, I wouldn't say, you know, it's guaranteed to come all the way this low, but you say if Bitcoin goes to 30K, probably where Solana goes. So, I mean, DCAing him anywhere between your current price and this, probably good levels. Probably good levels. Unless you think Bitcoin's going to break 30K. If you think Bitcoin's going to break 30K, it might go lower than that. So, obviously, be aware of that. And then Luna is... Luna. What's Luna doing? Luna's actually holding up decently. Luna's still pretty close to its all-time highs, which is actually pretty how do I say this? Pretty juicy, as I would say. I don't know why I got so excited to say juicy, but sometimes I get excited over small things. I get very excited over small things. I'm very easy person to please. Very easy person to please. But yeah, $64 at the moment. You still have the golden pocket. I would argue, you know, 51, and then the 786 at 41. Probably the levels that it goes down to, assuming Bitcoin goes to 30K. I'm just going to assume here. It might be a bold assumption, but if I assume that Bitcoin goes back down to 30K, I think that's, can everyone agree that that's a fair assumption? Can everyone agree that that's a fair assumption, right? Bitcoin goes to 30K. It might go lower. It might bounce higher. I think 30K is a good median price here. All right, I think that's pretty fair. Can you guys agree? You guys might be saying, no, no, Jordan, please. I don't want to go back down to 30K. That's not fair. That's not fair at all. That's not fair. But I think that's pretty fair at this point. You know, but so 50, 52, 51, between those areas, probably a good bet, I would say. It's definitely on the table. 30K zone. All right, what else we got? D. Kennedy said Gala at 21. Gala at 21. You grab any? I did. It's my B-Day, bro. Happy B-Day, D. Kennedy, man. D. Kennedy likes to troll me, I've realized. But happy birthday, man. It's also my birthday. Congratulations. It's our birthday, man. Let's play the pump song for D. Kennedy. D. Kennedy is one of the homies. He's always in here supporting the channel. So let's play the pump song for D. Kennedy's birthday. Everyone get their dance shoes on. Don't stare at the chat like this. If I see you guys staring at the chat like this, that gets me every time. If I see you guys staring at the screen like that, I'm gonna be very, very upset. So let's play it for D. Kennedy. Boom! Thank you, D. Kennedy, again, man. Happy birthday, bro. Hopefully you're doing something fun tonight. Seriously. Thank you for all the happy birthday wishes for myself, too, guys. I think I'm getting up there, man. I'm getting up there. I think I am 130 something now. I don't even know how old I am. I'm so crusty. Look at how crusty I am. So crusty, man. I don't think I could That song hurts right now. All the good old days. Remember the good old days, Willie? Remember the good old days, man? No, but look at Gala real quick. Gala, I know Gala was already low. I can't imagine what it's at now. Holy moly! Woo! Woo! Holy majoli! 75% for Gala from the top, man. Holy majoli. Get this thing drop. I mean, listen, if Bitcoin keeps going, I could see a retest of that top there at close to 15 cents. If Bitcoin goes to 30K, if we assume, I could definitely see 15 cents coming here for Gala. I mean, that would be, I mean, we're talking at that point, an 82% drop. 82% drop if that happened. I mean, that's, if you're looking for, you know, and I know discounts is sort of a common cliche, but if you're looking for a discount, you might be getting a discount there. You might be getting a discount there. If you bought Gala, if you foam it into Gala, guys. You've already been on a ride at this point, so man, yeah, and Gala at 21 cents. I would assume anything from here on down, I think, is a good buy. I mean, you just got to have a long-term mindset. Could this drop lower? Absolutely. You just got to have a long-term mindset, though, right? Because I mean, we just don't know what Bitcoin's next move is. It's tough to gauge the alts, or gauge. I want to say gauge. It's tough to gauge the alts without knowing what Bitcoin's going to do next, you know? You're doing backward sip. The GABA. What am I saying? Crypto winter means 95% drops. I mean, listen, that's, and guys, a 95% drop, okay? A 95.
Rant alert.
Guys, a 95% drop. Listen, we're not. I don't want to sleep. I don't want to speak in absolutes. Okay, I don't want to speak in absolutes, but altcoins, in my opinion, are not going to go down 95%. They're not going to go down 95%, right? I mean, everyone, once again, stop comparing this. You can't compare the bull market to the 2017 bull market. You can't compare the 2018 bear market to our current bear market. You just can't do it, right? Completely different scenarios, right? 2017, you had a massive blow off top, right? You had a massive amount of retail just FOMOing in at the top. I mean, the last month you went up. You're talking the last month you went up 240%. Completely different market, right? Just a completely different market, man. You're not going to see alts go down 95%, right? I mean, it's just not the same type of market, right? Now, I would say, just for example, right? For 95% drop to happen, that would mean just for Ethereum, you're talking ETH going back down to $200, right? I'll tell you right now. I will eat a second sock on stream, okay? I will eat 2 socks at once if ETH goes anywhere near $200. Let's say this. I will eat 2 socks on stream if Ethereum goes below $300. Make a deal? If Ethereum goes below $300, I will eat 2 socks on stream. Okay? You're not going to see that. You're not going to see that. You're just not. There's too much big money in it now. You're not going to see a $200 Ethereum. If ETH went to think about it this way. If ETH went to $200, I myself would buy a ridiculous amount of ETH. And I know a bunch of people that would also buy a ridiculous amount of ETH, which means that they probably know a lot of people that would buy a ridiculous amount of ETH. Okay? If ETH went down to $200, I would be scooping that up. Okay? It ain't going to happen, bro. Ain't going to happen. You want me to joke? Listen, I got a pretty good mouth. I can eat a lot of things, and a sock is definitely one of them. If they are Bob socks, is the deal. I want to see that. Shib on the back of the neck. Clint said, YouTubers will never say 100% that we are in a bear market. Clint, we are in a bear market, bro. I said it this morning. We are in a bear market. We are in a bear market right now. We are. I mean, maybe I didn't say it tonight because I did say it this morning on this morning stream. But a lower low here. You guys know me. I consistently said if Bitcoin breaks 39.6K, I will say we're in a bear market. We are in a bear market right now. 100% we're in a bear market. 110%. But I will say that Bitcoin can bounce up at any time. I'm not going to say just because we're in a bear market at the moment doesn't mean that Bitcoin just can't bounce back up. It certainly can. It certainly can. Do I think we go lower? Sure. But Bitcoin, I've always said that Bitcoin has a way of especially in this range, man, Bitcoin has a way of just faking people, right? When at least expect... What I've noticed is when you least expect it, Bitcoin likes to bounce a lot of times when you least expect it, right? I mean, I will say it again, guys. I mean, no one expected Bitcoin to bounce right here. Maybe a couple people. Everyone, when Bitcoin rolled over right here, everyone was calling for 36K, okay? When Bitcoin rolled over right here, everyone was calling for 25K, right? Bitcoin rolled over here. I mean, yeah, it certainly doesn't look great. But when does Bitcoin look great when it bounces? It never does. It always looks like absolute dog crap when it bounces. It always looks like absolute dog crap. So, yeah, do I think Bitcoin come into 30K? Sure. I definitely think that's possible, if not more likely. But I also don't think it's impossible for Bitcoin to just go, boop, back up to the upside. Obviously, next week's going to be big. We got to see what the Fed says about a lot of this crap, right? If the Fed comes out and says, some crazy stuff that's terribly negative on the market, I mean, that's not going to be great. The good thing is I think a lot of people are already expecting that, and a lot of that's already getting priced in, right? A lot of this is already getting priced in. People are already expecting bad things next week. So I think the good thing is if we get good news, okay, that could be a huge boost. But am I expecting good news? No. And that's why the price is going down, because people are expecting bad things, right? People are expecting the worst. So, I mean, and I guess I am too. I think it's better to expect the worst than expect the best. right? I think it's important to think that the best can happen, but I think it's important, especially in investing, I think it's important to expect the worst. So that way when it happens, you kind of just sit back and you go, this is great. This is great. Isn't it great watching the red days? So you're saying it will go up or down. You got it. Really, I mean, that's the name of the game. We're in crypto, man. We're in crypto. We are from Asia and ready to sell. God. I'm waiting for the Asians to sell. Where's my Asians? Listen, I'm ready for you guys to sell. Isn't it Asian market time right now? Isn't it Asian market time right now? The New Yorkers did their job. Now we need the Asian market to sell off. I guess that's what we need right now. Shane said, I like crypto. I like crypto too, man. Wardusi said, hairline TA, love your show. Keep up the good work, bro. I'm not going anywhere, man. I love doing this too much. Even in a bear market, I love doing this. But yeah, I mean, all right, let's refresh the hair a little bit. Let's refresh the hair. Just took a shower before this too, so the hair's a little bit hat hairy. But yeah, I mean, look, the hair it's getting deep, Mo. Oh, it's getting deep. It's getting real deep, man. Holy majoli. Holy, we need to zoom in here. This is bad. This is real bad.
Nope.
Wow. That's getting deep. Like we're almost halfway through the skull, guys. This is not good. This is not good. Man. Look at this part, too. I mean, it even comes out like this. I mean, you could argue this is once again, I just see a fat cup and handle, right? You guys see the handle and the cup, right? So the cup and the handle, I mean, the breakout target's back down to here. So that's what we're hoping for. We're hoping for a move back down to the 1.618 Fibonacci, which is right here. Right here. Well, we haven't quite gotten it yet. Keith said, I don't see anything. Well, now you did. Now you did. The hairline's bearish. The headline looks bearish. I'm not shaving it, man. I'm not shaving it. You know what it is? It's because I have. I didn't do my hair today. Well, I didn't do it after the gym, at least. The parting of the Red Sea. Shave it thicker, last longer. Listen, I look pretty sexy bald, man. I've always said I look sexy bald. Like I mean, I could rock any haircut, but I look very sexy bald. I mean, look at me. This one looks pretty bad. Why does this one look like I'm white as heck?
The hair is bearish AF, but the real problem is there's no volume.
There's no volume. There isn't any volume right now. There's no volume. This looks like I'm dead. This looks like I'm literally. The hair is bearish, but the real problem is there's no volume. There isn't any volume, man. Now, this bald hair looks terrible. Let me find the good one, guys. This is a bad one. Hold on. This is a bad bald. Let me find a good bald real quick. Let's do this one. Nope. God, not that one. There used to be a good one. Where's the good one at? Is it this one? No. Damn it. I don't know where the good one went. There used to be a really good one. A really good one. I guess this one's fine. Like super pale. My head looks so white. It's glaring. There's a glare on this. His hair went to 0. Needs some sun. I don't know why it's so white. It's literally so white. I can't even take how white it is. You need my self tanner. Just rub it on my head. Oh man, it's too good. It's too good. Does it take longer to wash your face every day? Yeah, it does. It does. I have to wash my face for like 5 minutes. Bottom should be 15 to 20K. It's pretty low, man. It's pretty low call. I don't know, man. Do we think Bitcoin dumps more tonight, guys? What do you think of the chat? Do you think Bitcoin dumps more? This thing's like lagging my tone vase. It does look like tone vase. Oh, man. Look like an Irishman. Do we think that Bitcoin dumps more tonight? Let me actually go no. Let me see. Here we go. Here we go. Do we think that Bitcoin goes lower tonight? Let me know in the chat. Does Bitcoin go lower tonight? Yes or no in the chat? Yes or no in the chat? Yes, 30K tonight? I don't know if 30K. I don't know if we get 30K tonight, man. 30K tonight might be a little ridiculous. That is the bottom, 33K. Asia loves to dump. No. No. Just shave it off, practically bald. No one said anything yet. No one said anything. Yes, not today till Monday, 36K. Very much no one saying no. I mean, I would say that the hourly RSI is pretty low. And also the 4-hour RSI is pretty low. Okay? Logan Paul. CJ. Logan Paul, bro. Logan Paul. I do kind of look like Logan Paul. That's funny, man. That's really funny. 4-hour RSI is oversold. Daily RSI is oversold. Everything's oversold. Let's all get oversold, man. Let's all get oversold. You freak me out as a 12-year-old. Look like Logan Paul. We all know about your shaved face. Thanks, Clancy. This is just out of control. Oh, man. All right, guys. I might call it a stream. I gotta go. I don't really have to go. But, you know, I'm going to go. I'm going to have some few beers. Go have some few beers. And not look at the charts tonight. I'm not going to look at the charts tonight. I'm going to take off my beard here real quick because... put my beard back on because holy moly, I look so much more sexy with my beard on. But yeah, I will. I'm gonna get some BS tonight. Make sure you guys don't stare at the charts. I mean, the charts suck. The charts suck. Absolutely suck. Let's be honest. Make sure you guys are, you know, doing something you enjoy doing. Whether it's, you know, if you're staying at home, you know, watching a nice TV show, do something that has positivity and don't stare at the Bitcoin chart at 36K. Okay, don't do that to yourself. It's not fun. It's not fun at all. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the morning. We got the members only stream at. We're gonna do the members only stream at 10 a.m. Right, 10 a.m. members only stream. Make sure you guys are there, and then I'll see you guys, rest of you guys at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you guys like the video before you go. Make sure you guys follow me on the Twitters, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out, everyone.